on GTs, man. Look at the wheels.
Those wheels are fucking expensive.
Those wheels are expensive. Those are like wheels you only dream of.
They're technically a T, but with the invisible spoke.
Say what's up, bro.
What up, vlog?
John, say what's up.
We up to no good again, man.
Up to no good again.
Every Thursday.
And it's late night already.
Late night Thursdays, bro. We're still gonna be karaoke after this, man.
No way.
Yeah.
Oh, you guys can. I gotta go home.
What?
And I'm working 6 days straight next week, man. I don't know.
I work at 6 a.m. tomorrow, man.
Dang, 6 a.m.
Why?
Why was the car like this color before, and then they painted it white?
No, they painted it green.
No, because we did the tub.
Yeah.
Oh. Sheesh, SR engine.
Yeah, they redid everything new. Cause it's like a drift boy color. Shit looks like a Miata engine, man.
Oh, it does, right?
Yeah, Dave wants to rebuild the engine.
They want to upgrade the turbo.
Oh man,
Intake manifold needs to be replaced.
that's on Fortune Auto, coilovers.
Yeah.
And he wants to change the suspension too.
Man, honestly, bro, like keep this
What
in
is-
stock, man.
Full rebuild.
I don't. Yeah, he wants to.
No, okay, Dave needs to get the seatbelt latch on the driver's side.
Bro, dude, keep the seats too, man.
No, but he needs the
Oh, the seat.
the seatbelt thing.
Yeah, you don't got it.
You can't put on the seatbelt.
No, because he used to have the what do you call that? The bucket seats in it. Then he took it off and then he
Oh.
put back those in.
When he sold that.
Yeah, they completely forgot about the seatbelt.
I'm sure it's not hard to find.
Oh, he has it. Yeah, it's
Oh, he has it?
probably somewhere around there. Man.
Somewhere inside.
Paint match. I think something happened with this other side. Because I could see the
What?
cracking. The bondo.
Oh.
Oh, shit's bondoed.
Yeah, bro.
Oh yeah, you can tell.
It is. This is how fiberglass is supposed to sound. This one. This.
Oh yeah, you hear
Yeah.
it. No, listen.
And the body is supposed to sound like this, like a. But
Yeah, it's bondoed.
You're just knocking on everything.
So that's why it's that's why he's
and you got some scratches here.
Anyway, John.
Man, it's still nice, bro.
Yeah, I know. This is still a good car, bro.
It's so clean.
John, pop the trunk for me.
Here.
I want to see if how the trunk is. So we got some booty stew, bro. Came with the electric pan.
Oh, the battery's in the back, obviously.
Yeah.
That's how you know it's a
And then
240.
This is the old. I think they upgraded it with the short shifter.
So that's the what? The stock, maybe?
Yeah, this is the stop one. Because my S13 used to have that. Let me see the trunk. It's cool.
Wait, what kind of ship now did you have?
Yeah, the Sylvia.
The Sylvia ship now?
Yeah. Some belts.
What is
Some
that?
SR
AC
things,
belt?
Some SR things, you know. And then I think he replaced the one of the. No, he
Was that
replaced
water
one
pump?
of the- No, this is actually another caliper. It's another C32. Front brake.
Extra.
Yeah. So,
Should have bought it, Royce, instead of the S2000.
bro. Honestly, bro, I love this car, but I don't know. I don't think I could stay away from the Honda scene, man.
Yeah, he just follows you.
So, what can I do? You know,
Honda for life.
that's the way it is, man.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. I am headed to Kuya Day's warehouse to meet up with the guys there, and we are going to clean some of his cars because we are taking them to Toge Factory season closer car meet. I'm expecting to see a bunch of 240s and all the drift cars because Toge Factory is known to be a drift shop or repair shop. Anyway, thank you guys again for tuning in. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe button. And I'll see you guys at the warehouse.
Wanna go to the gas station?
Good morning.
Good morning. Wanna go to the gas station?
Go to the gas station? Why?
Get water? Do you want coffee?
I already had coffee.
Water. Do you want water?
I got water.
Let's go.
What?
I
With Royce?
have to get Royce. No, just. No,
Huh?
No, we're going there now.
Oh, we're going where?
The gas station.
Oh. Okay. Going to the gas station.
Huh?
I didn't even see you.
Yeah, he's here already.
Yeah, ano ka ng kape? I do? Do I, Royce, want to feel this?
Sheesh, new clutch.
Feel it, man.
Here, open the door.
Oh, there's 2 keys. Oh man, might be a bad idea to wear shorts.
It's not bad, bro.
No. Turn on.
Maybe I'm just used to like fucking heavy clutch, bro.
Oh, it's not a heavy clutch. The port, no, I was talking about the biting point.
Why is it high? Oh, so it's like the 240.
Oh, man, I can sleep in this and drive this. Yeah, I saw the BAS boys. They're pulling up. To us.
They always meet up at Duncan. Yeah.
Sheesh.
That's why I should drive the NSX today, man. You know what I mean?
Hindi ka narinig, bro.
I was at the gas station, then I saw red FRS. I was like, ah, hell.
Oh no. Pulled up.
You're vlogging, right?
Yeah.
Shit.
Okay.
You drive the NSX, sir. I'll drive the S14. How about that?
Oh shoot.
What?
Alright, we are going inside the M3. Holy cow. Oh no. I've never been inside a M3 competition limited. Man. got room.
Now you drive away. Don't need the bomba, man.
Whew, that sounds so good, guys. Man. We are going with John to put gas on the chaser. Hey, careful, okay?
Shit, man.
Hey, Serge, where's the key for the Escort key?
Here.
Huh?
Oh.
Yes.
There.
Where's the
The
balance?
key, huh? But you put it there.
No, I
right?
put it in the bag already.
Okay.
Maybe I'll bring the bag just in case.
Jeez. You on gear? You're not in gear.
I am on gear.
There you go. Oh. My god. Dude, you're too close to that side.
Now we're good.
Oh my. It's my Uber driver. Oh shoot. Hey, you want 5 stars or what?
Shit, man.
Oh shoot, bro. Wait, don't go.
I'm going, bro. Chill.
Shoot,
Scaring
man.
me, man.
You're scaring me.
We're good, man. We're good, bro. This thing's hard to drive, man.
Shoot,
Man,
man.
yung kinakabahan na nga ako eh. Tangina. Natatakot mo pa ako, shit.
Me too, man.
Man.
Alright, you're clear. There you go.
Shit, man. But don't put the footage, man. Shit.
Why? It's funny.
Oh man, bro, this guy don't want to drive. I already know Royce is gonna be like, damn, bro, what the fuck you doing, dude? Knowing him already.
Oy, walang gas, bro. Easy.
We're close, bro.
Easy. Mamaya ma-stranded tayo, bro.
We're good, man. They're blown out.
Nope. This is what you do, guys, if you have a race car. You gotta fill up the tank and then add a octane booster. Here, I got a knife. You need a knife? Done? Shit!